Hello grade 5 students, welcome to our next video, and today we are going to start with new chapter from unit 2, that is flying together. Students, let us see what is the story about.
So let's start with the story. Deep in a forest stood a very tall tree. Its leafy branches spread out like strong arms. So can you see the leafy branches which are spreaded? Okay. This tree was a home for a flock of wild geese. So can you see the flock of wild geese? And this tree was a home for them. They felt safe there. One of the geese was a wise old bird. So he noticed a small creeper at the foot of the tree. Can you see the small creeper? Okay, at the foot of the tree growing. He spoke to the other birds about it. So he saw that wise bird and went to spoke to the other birds. Do you see that creeper? He said to them. So what he is saying, that wise bird, he is telling other birds that, can you see that creeper? Let us destroy it. So the wise bird is telling other birds to destroy it. Why must we destroy it? So what the other geese are telling, why should we destroy that? Asked the geese in surprised. It is so small, what harm can it do? So what are the geese telling to the wise bird? They are telling, okay, what is it going to harm us? My friends, replied the wise old bird. So let us see the wise old bird what he is telling. That little creeper will soon grow. So what is it wise bird telling? That the creeper is going to grow soon. As it creeps up this tree, it will become thick and strong. What of that? Asked the geese. What harm can a creeper do us? So what are the geese telling? That what harm the creeper is going to do? Don't you see? Replied the wise bird. With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. So what that wise bird is telling, with the help of that creeper, someone can climb the tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all. Well, there is no hurry, they replied. So what are that other geese telling to the wise old bird? They are telling, there is no hurry. The creeper is very small. It would be pity to destroy it now. So what they are telling? It is very small and it is not good to destroy it now. Destroy the creeper while it is still young, the old white bird advised. So what is that old bird advising? Okay, it will be destroyed when it is young. Okay, and when it grows, it will be very difficult. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. So what the wise bird is telling, it is small and we can cut it easily. Later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it. So when it becomes hard, we won't be able to cut that creeper. We will see, answered the birds. But they did not destroy the creeper. They forgot the wise old bird's advice. As the creeper grew, it began winding its way up the tree. So can you see that creeper? It is growing now and winding up the tree. Stronger and stronger it became until it was as strong as thick rope. So can you see how thick rope it has become? One morning when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. So this is where the wild geese live, he said to himself. So what the hunter is telling now, this is the place, this is the tree where the wild geese live. When they come back in the evening, I shall catch them. So what he has decided, when the geese come back, he is going to catch them. The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of the creeper. So the hunter is climbing the tree with the help of creeper. He got to the top and spread his net there. Then he climbed down and went away. So what he did, he went up the tree and spread the net. In the evening, the geese returned home. They did not notice the net as they flew into the tree. They were trapped. They struggled hard to get out but could not come out. Help, help, cried the geese. So now the geese started to cry. We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do? Don't make a fuss now, said the wise old bird. So what the wise old bird is saying? Don't be confused and don't make a just fuss now. Please be silent. Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. So what now wise bird is telling? That I have told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not listen to. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill us all. Were foolish, wept the bird. So they were realizing about the mistake. Yes, we were foolish, and they started to cry. We are very sorry, we did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do. So now the geese are telling to the wise old bird, please tell us what to do. Then listen carefully, replied the wise bird. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. Just lie still. What? So, wise bird is telling, when hunter comes, we must pretend that we are dead. The hunter will not want dead birds and he will throw us to the ground. So, he won't want that dead birds. Okay, and he will throw it on the ground. It will then be easy for them down. Collect the dead birds and take them home. When the last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away. So see what they are planning now. In the morning, the hunter came to the tree and he climbed up the tree. He looked at the geese in the net and they were all dead. He muttered to himself. So he is saying to himself that they are all dead. He threw them out of the net one by one. So he started to throw it from the net one by one downwards. The birds lay still until the last one had been thrown down. Then at all once they got up, flapped their wings and flew away. As when the last bird was thrown down, they all and flapped their wings and they flew away. The hunter was taken by surprise. And from the top of the tree he watched all the geese fly away.
So students, are you clear with this chapter? And related to this, I am going to send you a PDF which you are going to write down the question answers in your English